Ever wonder about the world's most disgusting animals? Brace yourselves, this might get a little gross. First up, the hagfish, a slime-producing sea creature. When threatened, it secretes a goo that can turn a bucket of water into a bucket of slime in mere minutes. Yuck! Next, the fulmar bird, a seabird that spews a foul-smelling oil at predators. This oil sticks to feathers and can cause birds to lose their ability to fly. And who could forget the dung beetle? These creatures eat, live, and breed in, well, dung. They even roll it into balls to transport it. Finally, the Suriname toad, which carries its eggs in holes in its back until they hatch. The sight of the babies emerging is enough to make anyone squirm. That's your 60 seconds of the disgustingly fascinating animal kingdom. Until next time.